Hey everyone, how many productivity tools that we are using in our day-to-day life, and we feel exhausted and unproductive by managing all those productivity tools. I felt the same, and I thought, is there any way that I can build on my own? And that's where I am excited to share my recent completion of FocusBoard productivity tool, a Google Chrome extension using AI. And in this video, I'll be covering about the topic, how I build it, what models that have been used to build this project. And let's get started. And we have three levels of AI. Level 1 is AI for answers. We have been using Google Engine before. Now we use ChatGPT or other several AI models, which is that we ask questions and AI answers for it. For example, generate me a email, draft me an email, or generate me a project description to add it in the resume, or what is the today's IPL match. You can ask questions and AI is better answering in it. And level 2 is AI works as a daily partner. To build a project or to build a product, it assists as a thinking partner or a strategic coach. And third level is that AI works for you. To give an example for this, I have created a folder called AI Assignment 2026. So this is the empty folder that I have been created in the C drive. And I have given access to the AI for this particular folder, and it created a folder called assets, src, styles, .html, .js, and so on. So this is AI works for me. I have given a task and I have given access to this particular folder, and it creates all this folder for me. In addition to that, what I built in this FocusBoard productivity tool is that first thing is live clock and date. To begin a task or to end a task, I need to know the timing, the date of it. So it helps me to know when I could complete the task before this timing, or I may have a work after 7:30. I may watch IPL at 7:30. I need to finish the task. So to know that, I need a live clock and date. And second thing is that focus goal. At the end of the day, I need to complete this task. This is the main goal of this day. So I need that feature as well. And third is the task manager. We have been doing multiple tasks on the entire day. To category as work, personal, or it can be any category, I need that to be managed. And third is that streak. How consistent I am. From which day which task I have been started, how many days I have been doing this. I need to know that. So I need that feature as well. In addition to that, I need a task matrix, fifth one, which is that I have mentioned that we have a task category, work, personal, but in depth I need to know which task is important, urgent, which task is not important but urgent. So I need to clarify this. I need to organize those tasks. So fifth feature is also needed. And sixth is that quote of the day. We are human. We need some words to be heard or to be seen. So that I need in the productivity tool have some quotes. And these are the 6 features that I have been built in it. And also what I've built, the build process of this project is that first is PRD, project requirement documents. It is a blueprint of the project. To build a house, we have a blueprint, the construction to be built. So it includes all the features, the purposes, the functionality, all the information will be at the PRD section. And step 2 is that atomic design. It is a methodology. By having the PRD, it breaks down as a simple steps or into phases, like phase 1, phase 2, or step 1, step 2. We have a 10 steps so that it build the overall project. So it is called atomic design. And third is that phase build. So I have been implemented phase 1, and I will be checking out the phase 1 is working fine, and I will do the phase 2 work. I will tell AI to do the phase 3 work, and I will check the result. So I'll tell implement based on single phases, and overall the project will be completed. And the last is that completion. The completion means that Sometimes this work is done in AI. So in PID I have used the model called Claude Sonnet 4.6, and Atomic Design I have used Google Pro 3.1 higher version, and Face Build I have used Claude 4.6 Sonnet version. Sometimes we may expire the context window, and the refresh day for that quota could be in days or it could be in minutes, it could be anything, but I need to complete that project. So that I've used a different model called Google Flash. So this is the fourth step, completion. And furthermore, we have the tools that have been used, that I have been saying is that the PID section is used in the model called Anthropic Claude, and the Atomic Design, the Face Build, the completion task all done in Google Antigravity. Antigravity is an AI agentic development tool. It builds you the software based on what context you have been fed into this platform. And now let's get into the productivity tool that I built. And I'll navigate to the Chrome. And this is my GitHub profile. And to create a new tab, you can either press the plus icon or the shortcut key Ctrl T. And this is the focus board that have been built. In the left side corner you can see the live date, and it greets me by name, and today's focus is learn SQL concept and practice. This is the main goal that I have been do in this May 2. And in the left side you can see the streak, and you can see the calendar for the May month, and you can click on this date and see which task I have been done, the total duration I have been spent on this day. And in the middle you can see the task. Like you can scroll that I have been added certain task. I'll be adding a task called create a video presentation regarding AI assignment, and I can click which folder I need this task to be. I'll click as work and I'll add. So this is all tasks will be grouped, and you can click on work, which is a filter. So only work task will be shown here, and you can see that record a video presentation of AI assignment, and you can see the personal learning completed and also one. And if you see the record video presentation of AI assignment, you can see this feature called log time. If I click that and how much duration I have spent on this, I can record that, and you can see the mark completed button. And this is called unfinished excellence. Sometimes we create a task but we fail to complete the task, and it could be any reasons, but it's okay. To create a binary like completed, not completed, to add more words, I've used unfinished excellence. It's okay. Sometimes we do less so that we can feel more. And I have added the icon called delete. Sometimes if any other spelling mistakes, I can use to delete this. And you can see that option called matrix. If we click that, it shows you this board, which is that which task should be important urgent, which task should be important not urgent. So this is the where I can organize it. You can drag and drop at anywhere, but only on these 4 boxes. You cannot go outside of the box. By doing the task, we need to think outside the box, but to organize the task, it should be inside these 4 boxes. And you can drag and drop and place anywhere based on the task. And I'll click here, and in the right side you can see the settings icon. If you click that, it shows you the FocusBoard settings. You can save the name, you can rename it, and you can change the clock format. And this is where the main task for the day. For May 2 have been added learn SQL. For May 3 it could be different. For May 4 it could be different. So that I have added it. And you can add a different wallpaper, and the categories like work, personal, learning. You can add a new category, and you can also add new colors. You can add colors in the format of RGB or HSL or in the hex code. It could be anything. And to look at the focus mode list, I'll return back to the focus mode and click this toggle on the focus mode, and I'll copy the URL of my YouTube channel and paste it in this Chrome. It says, let's get back to the task at hand, you're doing great. So it doesn't navigate me to that YouTube. Let me try my LinkedIn page. I'll copy paste it, and it says the same. And if I toggle off and I copy the YouTube channel of mine and paste it, now it navigates the YouTube. So this is my YouTube channel. I'll be posting the work I've been done. You can subscribe to it, and we are to the near 500 subscribers. And this is all about the project that I've been built. This is the only tool that helped me to increase the productivity. To answer this question, yes, it will, but I'll tell you a story about that. Imagine you need to land on a destination. You can see a signboard which your favorite destination could be near 1 kilometer or 2 kilometer. It could be anything like that. And after seeing that signboard, you accelerate more so that you can reach that destination. Likewise, this tool also works the same. Like, it navigates your efforts, but you should not focus only on the signboard. You also need a road. You also need a vehicle. The road is the discipline, and the vehicle is the skill. By combining the discipline, skill, and the task, which leverage you to give you better results. And by concluding it, I would say AI will make you a better you. AI doesn't make you a less human. It removes the friction so that you can become more human. And I wanted to thank Dhaval Patel sir, Hemanand Vadivel, Aditya sir, Naveen, and Team Code Basics for providing me this opportunity. And thanks for watching.